Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope you are all doing great. So today I think we're making the easiest of all the numbers. It's quick, easy and pretty. We'll start without overdue. So again, using cotton yarn, you can use whichever yarn you like, and 3mm crochet hook. I'm gonna chain 15. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make a single crochet and one single crochet in every stitch. For row 2, 3, 4 and 5, I'm gonna chain one single crochet in every stitch. Now, working on the lower part of the 7, I'm gonna chain 2 single crochet together in the first 2 stitches, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. The next row will be 1 single crochet across, and then the next row will repeat the row before, which is 2 single crochet together, then single crochet across and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. And the next row will be 1 single crochet throughout. So I'll repeat the same for 15 more times, and that's it. Number 7 is ready. You can make it as big as you want or as small, the way you wish. Don't forget to check also the written pattern for more ease, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.